Hi, welcome to our third session. Sharing is caring, appreciating how a person can make a difference in the community. Today, we will apply everything we learned and transform them into action. In our first session, we explored how money matters in our lives. We learned how to earn money through our skills and efforts, save for the future as well as for emergencies, spend wisely by understanding the difference between needs and wants. In our second session, we focused on ourselves, our interests, strengths, and dreams. We saw how our unique talents can lead to purpose and even earning opportunities in the future. But now, let's take it one step further. What happens when we use what we know, not just for ourselves, but for the greater good? Reviewing earning, saving, spending, but for a purpose. Let's revisit those key money concepts, but this time, let's add a new layer to them. Earning with meaning. You can earn money by using your talents, whether it is making art, baking cookies, tutoring younger students, or crafting friendship bracelets. But have you ever thought of earning not just for yourself, but to support a cause? For example, selling your artwork or baked goods and donating a portion of your earnings to kids who need school supplies. Doing small paid tasks and using the earnings to support an environmental campaign. That's earning with purpose. Saving to help others. Saving is about preparing for your future. But you can also save to help others. Imagine if every week you set aside 10 pesos from your allowance, in a month, you'd have 40 pesos. In a year, 480 pesos. Now, imagine if a whole class of 30 students did that. That's over 14,000 pesos that could go toward a class donation drive, emergency kits for typhoon victims, a reading nook for a public school. Small savings, big impact. Spending that changes lives. Spending wisely means buying what you need, not just what you want, but it also means choosing where and how to spend your money. Will you spend your money on a fifth milk tea this week? Or will you use it to buy recycled materials for an upcycling project? Being intentional with your spending allows you to share more with others. When we understand how to earn smart, save consistently, and spend wisely, we build not only a better future for ourselves, but also for our communities. The power of sharing. Now, here is the heart of today's session. Sharing is not just about giving what you have, it's about using what you know and doing your best to make a difference. This is where empathy comes in. Empathy means understanding what others are going through or wanting to help. That could be kids who can't afford notebooks, families who don't have clean water, or classmates who struggle with learning because they have no quiet space at home. Once we observe and understand these issues, we can take action. Introducing the JA Spark the Dream Social Challenge. Are you ready to turn your learning into real impact? Here is your chance. The JA Spark the Dream Social Challenge 2025. You'll work on teams of 4 to 6 to identify a real issue in your community. Remember to apply the concepts we learned over the past scenarios. Propose a solution using your interests, strengths, and financial know-how. Create a 1 to 2 minute video explaining your idea. Your video should include the social issue. What problem are you addressing? Who is affected? Why is it important? Your solution. How will you help? What idea can you turn into action? Connection to earning, saving, and spending. Will you raise funds? Will you save as a group first? Will you buy materials, supplies, or goods for your project? Visibility and passion. Can it be done? Why do you care about this issue? Classroom activity. Let's get started with a quick brainstorming task. In your groups, list problems you've observed in your school, barangay, or community. Circle one that your group cares about most. Use your strengths from session 2 and apply the concepts of earning, saving, and spending from session 1 to think of a solution. Sketch out your plan for a 1 to 2 minute video. Tip: keep your ideas realistic but creative. Final message: whether you're earning a few pesos, saving for a goal, or buying something meaningful, remember, smart money choices are powerful. But smart choices shared with others, that's transformational. This is your chance to shine. This is your chance to spark a dream, not just for yourself, but for others. Let's make a difference together. Let's show that sharing is caring.